There's a part of the quadratic equation that's been hiding in plain sight. It's called the discriminant, and it can tell you an awful lot about what the graph will look like. In the quadratic equation, the part inside the square root is known as the discriminant. With quadratics, there are three possible amount of real roots you can get. 2 roots is generally what we've worked with so far. When you solve these quadratics, you get 2 answers. You get 2 roots when the discriminant is positive. 1 root occurs when the line skims the x-axis at a single point. When you solve these quadratics, you will get 2 answers, but they are the same answer. You get 1 root when the discriminant is 0. Have you ever tried solving a quadratic but got an error on your calculator or a weird I symbol? These are situations where the line does not touch the x-axis, so the quadratic has no real roots. You get no roots when the discriminant is negative, because you cannot square root a negative number and get a real answer. Let's go through these questions. Make sure to remember that the equation for the discriminant is the part of the quadratic equation that is square rooted. So let's substitute our values into b squared minus 4ac, and we get the answer of 0. We know the quadratic is u-shaped because the coefficient of the x squared is positive, and we can complete the quadratic equation to find the turning point is also positive. The only way we can get exactly one real solution is if the discriminant equals 0. So get the discriminant equal to 0 and substitute in the values for a, b and c. Notice that c is k. And we have an equation here we can solve. So we're going to do minus 6 squared, 36, minus 4 times 3 is minus 12. Then we're going to add the 12k to both sides and divide by 12 to find k equals 3. If we know that there are 2 real solutions, it means the discriminant must be greater than 0. So let's get the discriminant greater than 0. Let's substitute in the values. Again, remember that c is k. And let's just tidy that up. Add the 20k both sides, divide by 20, and we get that k is less than 9 over 20. Don't forget, if you swap k the other way around, you need to change the sign. Let's end on this. Quadratics can have 2, 1 or 0 real solutions. But what are the options for cubic graphs? If you know, write it in the comments below. And you can come to onmaths.com or click the link in the description for free access to all of our papers and predictions, and you can even save your scores with a free account. This video is part of a larger A-level course that you can follow along with at onmaths.com.